Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to use the if function in Microsoft Excel. So what is an if function? With the if function you can do logical comparisons. Basically, if something is true then do this, otherwise do that. Let us see an example to show what you can do with the if function. This is some test data. So here in column A, we have got some expenses. This is the claim amount which an employee has claimed, and this is the threshold amount. We need to find out whether we should approve the claim or not. So the logic is if the claim amount is less than the threshold amount, then we should approve it, otherwise we should reject it. So how do we do it? If we click on the cell D2 where we want to insert the formula and click on the insert function, here you can see there is an if function. Make sure it is selected here and click OK. So here we need to specify the logical test. Our test is if the claim amount is less than the threshold amount. So what we need to do is if you click here, it automatically inserts B2, and we want to check if B2 is less than the threshold amount, which is C2. If you click here, it will automatically select this cell. As you can see, the comparison of these two values is true, like B2 is less than C2. That means our claim is less than threshold. So value, if true, what we want to do is we want to approve it. If we just tab here, as you can see, Excel does a very good job in inserting quotes around the value because it's a string value. So what if the value is not less than? So what we need to do is we need to specify the value for false. So if we say reject, so this is our formula now. If we say OK here, Excel automatically inserts the formula on the formula bar. As you can see, it has given the value approve. Since the claim amount is less than threshold, the logic says it should approve. So what we need to do is now, if we want to insert the same formula in other cells, what you can do is you can do Control C and then select the remaining cells and say Control V. Or if I do just a Control Z here, you can just select the cell and drag it up to the last cell and it will automatically fill the formula. So as you can see here, the travel expense claim amount is 250, but the threshold is 200, so it is rejected. Similarly on entertainment, but on sundry allowance, the value is less than the threshold amount, it is in approved status. Okay, let us take another example. Let me quickly unhide these cells. Okay, here we have got again listed some expenses in column A, expense 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the claim amounts. But this time the threshold amount is listed in one particular cell, which is cell D8. So if I want to put some formula here, this time I'm going to type the formula in the formula bar. So if I just say equal to if bracket start and it says logical test. So our test is if claim amount, if I click in this cell, is less than the threshold amount, which is D8, comma value if true is approve, comma, and value if false it is reject. Bracket close, and if I press enter here, see it has done, yeah, approved, because the claim amount is less than the threshold amount. So if I just Control C, copy, and paste the formula in the remaining cells, Control V, and press the escape key just to get rid of the selection. So here what it has done is, obviously, like in row 12, our claim is greater than the threshold amount, it has rejected it. In row 13, again the claim is greater than threshold amount, it has rejected. But something weird has happened in row 14. Our claim amount is less than the threshold amount, but it has still rejected it. So seems like something is wrong with the formula. So if we just click here and click on the formula, see, it's checking the threshold value in the wrong cell. So what we need to do is we need to specify a fixed position for the threshold amounts. How do we do that? So if we just click on this cell and click on the formula bar, here if we put a dollar sign before and after the press enter, this time if we copy and paste the formula in the remaining cells, it has done the right comparison. So if we click on any of these cells and click on the formula, it is checking the right threshold amount. So this is how to use if function in Excel. If you haven't done already, please subscribe, share and like the video. Please do let me know in comments if you face any issues.